This is the high-tech, all-electric Genesis GV60. The Genesis GV60 features a few systems that allow personalized access to the vehicle. Face Connect allows the locking and unlocking of your GV60 using a driver's registered face. To register, place both smart keys inside the vehicle and turn it on. Press Setup, then User Profile, then Facial Recognition. Enter your profile password and then select Set Delete Facial Recognition and press Set. Exit the vehicle when prompted. Keep the driver door open and look straight into the camera, located at the front trim of the passenger door. When facial registration is complete, the status wheel will change from white to green and a prompt will play over the in-car audio system.
Facial recognition set.
Up to 2 driver profiles can be stored, each with a unique registered face scan. If facial registration fails, the status wheel will turn red and instructions will play through the in-car audio system.
Facial recognition not set.
If equipped, the Fingerprint Authentication system allows the driver to have access to personal information, profile unlock, and to exit valet mode with just an enrolled fingerprint. To enroll, select Setup, then User Profile, Driver, Fingerprint Identification, then Set. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor as instructed. Follow the on-screen instructions and place several areas of your fingerprint on the sensor to obtain a proper scan. Once scanning is complete, the message Saving Fingerprint appears and the fingerprint enrollment process is complete. To use, simply touch your finger to the recognition sensor when the fingerprint shape appears on the infotainment screen. If facial recognition is used to unlock the car when parked, Fingerprint Authentication allows your Genesis to start without the need for a smart key. To delete a registered face, place one smart key inside the vehicle. Press Setup, then User Profile, then Facial Recognition. Enter your profile password, and then select Set Delete Facial Recognition and press Delete. To delete a registered fingerprint, place one smart key inside the vehicle, then select Setup, then User Profile, Driver, Fingerprint Identification. Enter your profile password, then delete. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.